Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the aspect ratio. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the aspect ratio in Adobe Premiere Pro is a straightforward process. So once you open the Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sequence, which is going to be found in the upper left corner. Click on it and click the sequence settings. All right, so what will happen is you will be forwarded with this new dialog box wherein you see there's like a frame size that covers the horizontal and the vertical. Right? Right now, my aspect ratio is in a landscape orientation, which is 1920 to 1080. If you want to maybe change it to like, for example, 1080 by 1080, which is kind of like a box, what will happen is, click OK. You would notice that the aspect ratio has been changed. Of course, you just have to adjust the elements within your aspect ratio or the frame. For example, if you're working with multiple images, videos, you want to resize them accordingly so they will fit on this specific ratio. And again, if you don't want that, maybe you can experiment with the sequence settings. Again, go to the frame size. This case, we're going to be using 1080 to 1920. This is going to be like a portrait orientation. You see that? And of course, you can just simply adjust the elements here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Because in social media platforms, they have like a separate requirements. In DFLAP's YouTube channel, most of the time when we go to the sequence, we always change it to 1920 to 1080, which is going to be our standard. Of course, you can also change the sequence name if you want. The editing mode can be custom, and you can also change the file format apart from changing the aspect ratio itself. It's very helpful because when for example, if you're adapting to different social media platforms for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter, of course, many filmmakers and content creators change the aspect ratio to achieve specific visual effects. And once you're happy with it, just click on the OK, adjust your elements here, and then click the export button and save it to different file formats. And basically, that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.